Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. In this video, we are going to discuss a few incidents where the NHRC took action or cases decided by the National Human Rights Commission. You all know Section 17 deals with the procedure adopted by the National Human Rights Commission and 18 deals with the recommendations made by the same. And in this connection, you have to remember Section 12 Clause B, I think, of the Protection of Human Rights Act also, where the NHRC can intervene in any proceeding involving allegations of violation of human rights before a court. That means they can file the intervention petition before the appropriate case, and with the permission they can implead somebody, they can delete somebody from the array of accused or from the list of accused. Now we'll go to discuss a couple of cases where Honorable or NHRC actually is involved. Normally, whenever you discuss the NHRC petitions, the first will be the fake encounters. So, fake encounter case in Uttar Pradesh. Here, the complainant, he has sent a petition to the commission that his son, along with 3 others, was killed in a fake encounter or false encounter. Right? Normally, as per Section 17, they will issue a notice to the state or to the concerned DGP, here the commissioner. The police told the commission that they received a reliable or secret information that a gang of dacoits or a dreaded criminal is going to commit dacoity in a petrol bunk. So the information is that the criminal dacoity gang or the criminal, they are going to commit dacoity in a petrol pump. So the police, they have divided into 3 teams to track the criminal. And when actually 4 people came to the bunk, then they saw the police. That means the group came to the bunk. On seeing the police, they started running away. The police actually fired at them. They also fired against the police. There was a cross-firing. So during the cross-firing, the person so-called died. Right. This is the version given by the police department. Now, NHRC was not convinced with the so-called report of the police. So therefore, they conducted their own inquiry. Right? So the inquiry disclosed that it is a fake encounter. Therefore, they have recommended a case against 36 police officers. The commission, NHRC, directed the state to pay interim relief, not compensation, interim relief. So go to Section 18, it deals with the interim relief also. Very good case. Then the second incident is release of bonded laborers in Haryana. Right? The NHRC received a complaint from Bonded Labor Liberation Front. Yes, they received information from this organization that about 20 persons, including women also, women and children, they were kept as bonded labor in a quarry. You may be knowing quarry for excavating some stones and other things, the quarries. You got Chemakurti quarries. The commission directed the chief secretary to look into the matter. You know, as per Section 17, the procedure is they will send a notice to the concerned department. So like that, the commission directed the CS to look into the matter. The state government reported it as an industrial dispute. So why industrial dispute means, according to the Industrial Disputes Act 1947, the labor department, they have to interfere. Right? So it is a dispute between the owner and the laborer. The police informed like that. But NHRC is not satisfied with the investigation of the state government. Therefore, NHRC sent its own team, its own investigation team. So please remember Section 14, Section 13, NHRC can act like a CPC, the civil court. Section 14, NHRC can investigate the cases. Right? So actually the investigation disclosed the situation otherwise. So therefore, NHRC directed the concerned magistrate, that is district magistrate or collector, to take appropriate action for their rehabilitation. And NHRC gave them the release certificate also. Therefore, actually, the commission of bonded life, they have taken up the issue. So this is the result of the intervention of the National Human Rights Commission. So the commission can conduct its own inquiry. The commission can conduct investigation if it is not satisfied with the investigation of police. Friends, these are the two important incidents. In the next video, we are going to discuss two more important such evidence. Thank you very much.